Hello everyone and welcome to 35 Drill Street, Unit 2, in Providence, Rhode Island. Before we begin touring this updated 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit, I'd like to remind you, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. That will receive all the latest updates and videos of our vacancies, as well as news of real estate and property management. Thank you. So we're here at 35 Drill Street, Unit 2. That's a second floor of a 2-family home located in Elmhurst, a neighborhood of Providence. Really close distance to Providence College, LaSalle Academy, as well as local businesses. A very walkable, residential, quiet residential neighborhood. We start in the kitchen. Please note, kitchen is well equipped and modern. You have a stainless steel appliances, large gas stove, built-in microwave, and plenty of modern newer cabinets with a tile backsplash and updated hardware. Plenty of room to fit a dining set and a nice open layout with a living room, which is not right next to it. A couple large windows allowing plenty of natural light to come in and making this unit very bright. Unit's been repainted, floors have been redone, original hardwood floors. Living room is on a smaller size, still plenty room for some furniture, plenty of electrical outlets for your electronics, and it does have a sort of a walk-in closet here with shelving and maybe suitable for an office if you wish as well. There's a cable runs through there. But back into the unit and the kitchen, and we are to see a couple bedrooms. One is on my left. Again, pretty spacious for a king-size bed. Fresh paint, ceilings are redone, and plenty of electrical outlets. Wide closet, and internet and cable ready. Second bedroom is just a touch smaller, still enough room for any bed size. Unfortunately, this one doesn't have a closet, but it has a couple windows, nice and bright. Unit has off-street parking. Unit has some area, green area as well, shared area, patio area. Kitchen has a tile floor, and so does the bathroom. Bathroom is featuring a full tub, and it's tiled nicely all around, updated hardware as well. You have small sink there. Once again, this is Nexus. We're here at 35 Drill Street, Unit 2. It's an Elmhurst neighborhood of Providence. Unit has laundry on site. A unit has off-street parking, updated 2 bedrooms with modern stainless steel appliances, and a nice residential Elmhurst neighborhood of Providence. 2 large bedrooms on the 2nd floor with private entrance. Once again, this is Nexus. We're here at 35 Drill Street, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit. Ready immediately. Thank you.